Milestone Credit Card Review 2025. Is it right for you? Most people get this wrong, but rebuilding credit often starts with imperfect tools. The Milestone Credit Card is designed for people with limited or damaged credit, but is it actually helpful in 2025? The Milestone Card is an unsecured credit card aimed at credit rebuilding. Approval is based on credit profile, and many applicants with past issues are accepted. One advantage is accessibility. You don't need a security deposit, which makes it easier to get started. On-time payments are reported to credit bureaus, helping rebuild credit history. However, you won't believe what happens next when you look at the fees. The Milestone Card often comes with annual fees and higher interest rates. Credit limits are usually low, which limits flexibility. In conclusion, Milestone can be a stepping stone, not a destination. If you use it responsibly and upgrade later, it can help rebuild credit. Just be aware of the costs.